Madhumita Sarkar is an Indian actress known for her work in Bengali television and films. Her physical appearance is marked by expressive eye, radiant smile and a slim, well-maintained figure. She carries a graceful and confident demeanor that enhances her on-screen presence. In terms of her media image, Madhumita is celebrated for her natural beauty and acting talent. She is often seen as a versatile actress who can seamlessly portray various roles from light-hearted characters to intense, dramatic personas. Her journey from television to movies has entered in recognition and admiration in the entertainment industry. Her fashion sense is a mix of elegance and modern chic. Madhumita often opts for classical, understated looks that exude sophistication. She embraces both traditional and contemporary styles, showcasing an array of outfits, from elegant saris to lehengas to trendy dresses and smart casuals. Her choice often highlighted her affinity for simplicity with a touch of glamour. Madhumita's dressing sense reflects her understanding of style and comfort. She pairs outfits with minimal accessories and complements them with suitable makeup, focusing on enhancing her natural features. Her wardrobe including traditional Indian wear, especially for cultural events, while for more relaxing settings, she prefers florid dresses, jumpsuits, or jeans paired with stylish tops. In her career, Madhumita Sarkar is Bengali television, gaining fame with shows. Her successful transition to film with notable performance in movies has established her as a prominent figure in regional cinemas. Madhumita Sarkar recently photoshoot showcased her evolving fashion sense and flair for posing with confidence. In these shoots, she has been seen in a variety of looks that emphasizing her versatility and charm. Madhumita often wears saris, lehengas with intricate embroideries, paired with elegant jewelries, which highlights her graceful sides and cultural roots. Her contemporary photoshoots features her in modern outfits such as fitted dresses, chic pantsuits, and flowy gowns, capturing her photoshoots and stylish image. These shoots often save creative backdrop and lighting that enhance the mood and elegance of her outfits. Madhumita's natural beauty shines through in each photoshoot, with makeup style that range from soft, minimalistic looks to bold, statement-making designs depending on the themes. Her photoshoot reflects her ability to seamlessly transition between traditional and Western fashion, reinforcing her reputation as a trendsetter in the industry. Madhumita celebrated for her natural beauty and acting prowess. Her captured hearts with her impeccable fashion sense. Her recent photoshoots reflect a seamless blend of traditional and modernity. Showcasing her in stunning saris, intricate lehengas, and elegant western outfits. Whether embracing cultural elegance or exotic sophistications, Madhumita's style highlights her versatility personality with confident poses and genuine charm. She effortlessly transitions between classical and contemporary looks, cementing her status as a fashion icon in regional cinemas and beyond. So guys, here are some detail of Madhumita Sarkar, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe Celeb Clip for more videos like this.